Poshan Abhiyan is the Prime Minister's overarching scheme for holistic nourishment. It is implemented by national ministries and state departments through coordination, convergence, and leveraging technology to improve nutrition in women, children, and adolescents. The Ministry of Women and Child Development is the nodal ministry for Poshan Abhiyan. The Abhiyan is not a program but a Jan Andolan. The Jan Andolan data entry form that we are about to show you will reflect your on-ground work. Like you, the users are at national, state, district and block level. Each user has a unique username and password. Let's begin. Getting to the site. Do you have internet connectivity? Please open your internet browser on your device. Use the Chrome browser preferably at 100% zoom level and enter http://poshanabhiyan.gov.in. This is how the home page looks. On the top right corner, you will see data entry. Please click on this link once. The login page opens. Here is everything you need to know about your username. If you're a state-level user for Ministry of Women and Child Development, then your default username and password will be MOW and CD hyphen your state name in all caps. For example, MOW and CD hyphen Rajasthan. If you're a district-level user for Ministry of Women and Child Development, then your default username and password will be MOW and CD hyphen your district name in all caps. For example, MOW and CD hyphen Jaipur. If you're a block-level user, your username will be your block code in numerals. For example, username MOW and CD hyphen 1020302. Password MOW and CD hyphen 1020302. Please note, for state and district level users, the state and district name is in all caps. For block usernames, use lowercase. If there is space in the name of your district or state, please enter the space in username and password too. If you still have doubts, please contact your supervisor. On first login, you will get a profile page. Please verify everything is correct and change the password. Please note, if you have changed your password at a previous login and you do not have your password or you have forgotten it, please write an email with your username to helpdesk.poshan@gmail.com. Password will be reset and shared with you. Overview. This is the data entry homepage that opens up after you log in. You can change your password here. Take a quick look at your submitted reports here. Download the user manual here. Start a data entry here and log out here. Enter data. You can now go to the activity participation page. Click in the box next to activity. Wait for the multiple list to appear and click to select the activity you're reporting. In case the list does not have the activity you're reporting on, click to select other. As you can see, there is a red star or asterisk next to this box. This means it is a mandatory field. You can only select one activity per entry. Then, click in the box next to theme. Wait for the multiple list to appear and click to select the theme the activity was conducted under. As you can see, there is a red star or asterisk next to this box. This means it is a mandatory field. This is a multi-select option. This means you can select different themes for the same activity. This is because there can be many themes that the same activity falls under. You can press Ctrl on your keyboard with one hand and select multiple organizers for an activity with the other hand by clicking one each simultaneously. You can also deselect the same way. Now we go to the box that says level. Select the level you are entering the data for. As you can see in the options, this can be central, state, district, block or village and AWC. Depending on the level at which you are entering data, you will not see the levels above you. As you can see, there is a red star or asterisk next to this box. This means it is a mandatory field. For example, if you are entering data for a block, then select block for the level. If you are entering data for a district level event, then select the level as district. Please note that you can only enter data for the level you are logged in to report for and the ones below you. You cannot enter data for a level above you. For example, A district level authority can enter data for district or for a block under that district or for an AWC, but he or she cannot enter data for the state. Next, please select from the multi-select of organizers. As you can see, there is a red star or asterisk next to this box. This means it is a mandatory field. You can press Ctrl on your keyboard and select multiple organizers for an activity. You can also deselect the same way. The box group reflects the key days and weeks for Poshan Jan Andolan monthly and periodic activities. Again, if your grouping is not there, please click to choose Other. Please make sure you enter the date from when the activity began to when it ended in date, month, year format. The month calendar drop-down will help you select the dates. By default, the dates are set to today's date. The dates will be automatically selected if you have chosen from the groupings in the list. For example, if you choose National Nutrition Month, the start and end dates get automatically selected. You can change this when you're doing your data entry. Please note that you can only select dates for an activity that has been completed and not an upcoming one. Now we go to the final section. This is about participants for your activity. Enter the total participants number. This is a mandatory field. Please note that the total participants number has to be a manual entry and it does not calculate from data below. Next, please enter data into adult male and adult female boxes. The totals for the box headed total adults will get calculated automatically. Then proceed to do the same with the children male and the children female boxes. The totals for the box headed total children will get calculated automatically. If you do not have data for male and female numbers, then please directly enter total participants. What happens if the totals do not match? If the totals do not match the individual numbers, then the user will get a warning. However, if you want to submit the form nevertheless, you can click OK on the warning box and go ahead. But we do not recommend this. Now, for a photograph of the activity you have conducted, you can upload a photograph by clicking on Choose File option. This will open a box through which you can select the photograph from the folder where you have saved it on your computer. Please note that the photograph can be only up to 2 MB in size. Next, we fill into the description field. This space is for describing the activity. Please share a few lines about how it was conducted, what was the response from the community, etc. Please verify all information now. Please click Submit only if you are ready to do so. You can also go back to refill the entire form, or you can choose to cancel this and make a fresh start. Once a record is submitted, you cannot go back and edit or delete anything, so please be careful. Once submitted, it will show up on your dashboard called Activity Participation. At any point, if you need a reference document, you can click on User Manual here. You can now log out by clicking on Logout on the left. Each activity is unique and needs to be independently entered. We recommend that you enter the details of the activity on the same day it was conducted. Please do not do a bulk entry by combining multiple activities at any level or organizer, or by combining the same activity conducted at multiple sites at one level. For example, if community-based event, that is ICDS, activity has been completed at 100 AWCs in a day in a block, 100 data entries are required, and not one entry with a cumulative participation in the 100 CBE. If you do bulk entry, the dashboard will not show correct data. If you have any queries, please call the helpline number 14408 or write an email to helpdesk.poshan@gmail.com. We will be happy to help you out. The data you enter will feed into national data and give a holistic perspective of the Jan Andolan you are an integral part of. Thank you for being part of the largest nationwide movement for better nutrition and a better tomorrow.